This Ford Anglia looks pretty sad, probably because one of its previous owners didn't like the light blue color and gave it a 3-tone paint job. I'm here to correct this. Hi everyone, I'm Johan and this is Belgian Diecast Restorations, your place for diecast factory resets and makeovers.
Welcome to Belgian Diecast Restorations.
Lesney added the Ford Anglia to its Matchbox line in 1961 as a successor to the aging horse-drawn milk float. The model only came in light blue with green tinted windows, with early specimen having grey plastic wheels and later black wheels. The model was produced for 6 years and was replaced in 1967 by the Ford Refuse truck. The model is based on the Ford Anglia 105E, a small family car that was produced by Ford UK between 1959 and 1967. It was the fourth and last generation in the Anglia line, which went all the way back to 1939. The 105E had a distinctive American influence in its design with a large chrome front grille and an aerodynamic shape. It also had some variations, like an estate version and its Italian brother the Anglia Torino, which had a very different design. The 105E was also the first of the Ford Anglia line to receive a new engine, which improved acceleration. And the awful vacuum-powered windscreen wipers were replaced with electrical ones. In 1967, after more than 1 million units produced, the Anglia was replaced with the first generation of the Ford Escort. Younger people know the Ford Anglia of course from the second Harry Potter book and movie, in which it was turned into a magical flying car. Actually, I've seen worse kit painted models than this one, so I guess the little muggle who did this was already a little older. Or maybe it is parent painted. Nevertheless, the paint is wearing away, the axles are bent as well as one of the window pillars, and that window looks just horrible. It doesn't seem correct, but it's severely scratched up and stained with paint and glue, so I'm not confident that I can save this. Nevertheless, we have our job cut out. So let's go to tools and give this model a factory reset. The Ford Anglia 105E was the fourth and last generation Anglia. Lesney produced it in 1961 as the second number 7 in its Matchbox line. This specimen, however, has seen better days. It has been painted over in various colors, the axles are bent and the window is severely scratched up. I think I managed to come very close to the light blue of the original model. I added the original detailing and replaced the severely bent rear axle. Unfortunately, I couldn't save the window as it was too scratched up. Nevertheless, it looks factory fresh again. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, as this helps my videos to climb up in YouTube's algorithm. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.
Belgian Diecast Restorations.